Trying to manually force a longer stride is actually the fastest way to slow down and get injured. We often look at elites and see their massive, bounding strides. It's natural to think, if I want to be fast like them, I need to take bigger steps. But copying the look without the engine is a trap. Mathematically, speed is simple. It's your stride length multiplied by your cadence. To go faster, you must increase one or both. But here is where the logic breaks down for most runners. When you consciously try to lengthen your stride, you usually reach forward with your foot. This causes you to land in front of your center of mass. That reach acts like a parking brake. Every step sends shockwaves up your shin and kills your momentum. You're fighting your own forward progress. True stride length is an output, not an input. It comes from pushing harder into the ground behind you, not reaching forward. It's the result of power, not stretching. So when should you look at this data? Use stride length as a fatigue detector. If your pace is steady but your stride length drops over a long run, your form is crumbling. This usually means your core or glutes have given up and you're shuffling. Knowing this helps you identify exactly when you need to focus on strength work. Don't try to fix the number on your watch while running. Instead, improve your power through hill sprints and squats. Build the engine, and the stride length will follow. Focus on power, and let the length happen naturally.